Good morning people. Will checking in. It's like 6:15, 6:20. We're here in Troy, New York, starting the day off at Psychodelicatessens, getting our breakfast sandwiches.
Good morning people, not us. 7 o'clock in the morning, we woke up at 6, got some sandwiches, we're heading up now. We're heading up the Northway, we're gonna go hike Macomb, Southwicks, Breaks. It is 8:29. We're at the trailhead. We're just about to start going. Kind of had to add a half mile. I forgot they closed this road, so we're ready. It's a balmy 10 degrees. All lines really prepared for this. We're ready. 9:08. How many people we got here? Dude, 2019. That's it. It's been like an hour since the trailhead. We just passed the lean-to, which is 2.2 miles. Definitely warmed up once we got past the lake. I think that wind was just coming across and just freezing us. You got anything for me?
It's gorgeous.
Isn't nature great, guys? 10:40. We're here at the Lily Brook, I think, trail, whatever you want to call it. 4.4 miles, I think, from where we parked to here. It's about 2 hours, so we're definitely cooking right along. Really came in handy on that little pipe crawl. We're doing it. I think we're about another mile in on this Lily Brook.
Oh, yeah.
You can hear the brook over here. I'm thinking that's like about the 1 mile mark, so you like 0.3 to where the trail splits. Well, you good?
It's a great day for a great day. Hey y'all.
Alright, so just realized we missed the turn to go up between Macomb and South. So we're gonna push on the hough feel. We'll get Grace Peak, but I want to be up by dark. Play it safe. You can always come back. The mountains never leave. Feeling pretty good. It took us a little bit longer to get up here. It's now 12:55. Shit. 4 hours still dark. So we're gonna ditch Grace. I really want that one, but we'll have to come back. It's a safe way to do it. So we are 400 feet from the top. We met Catherine about half mile ago.
They saved me. They saved me.
We saved each other, let's be real.
That's true, but you saved me more. Yeah.
Okay, 12:23, we are at the top. How you feeling, Will?
Hungry.
Oh, yeah, I mean, well, we got fruit roll-ups.
Yeah. McDonald's sounds pretty good right now.
Dude, you can't swear in my video.
McDonald's sounds really nice right now.
Fantastic. Alright, it is 5 o'clock. We just got the Lily Brook Trail. I think we're on the Dix Road. Well,
French fries.
I'm done. Didn't realize it was 2 miles from the parking lot to Elk Road.
So they closed the access road for the winter. It's like the walk of shame for 2 miles. Packed slippery ice with like a dusting of snow on it.
So, victory, McDonald's, shower.
You stay classy, San Diego.